In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your status in Microsoft Teams. Changing your status is a small step that makes a big difference in how you communicate and collaborate with your team. It tells others whether you're available, busy, or away, so they know the best way and time to reach you. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the process slowly and clearly so you can follow along even if you're completely new to Microsoft Teams. First, make sure you're signed in to Microsoft Teams in your browser or desktop app. Once you're on the main screen, look toward the upper right corner of your window. You'll see a small profile icon there. This usually shows either your initials or your profile picture. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This opens a small menu that gives you quick access to your account settings, notifications, and of course your status. When the menu appears, you'll see your name or email at the top, and just underneath it, you'll see your current status. It might say something like available, busy, do not disturb, appear away, or appear offline. Click directly on that status area. This will open a list of all the different status options you can choose from. Now you'll see a menu of statuses. Take a moment to look through the options and think about what best reflects your availability right now. For example, choose available if you're ready to respond to messages and calls, busy if you're working but can still be contacted, or do not disturb if you really need to focus and don't want to be interrupted. Simply move your mouse over the status you want and click to select it. As soon as you click, your new status is applied. You'll see it updated right away under your profile icon, and this is what your colleagues will see next to your name in chats, calls, and meetings. If you ever need to change it again, just repeat the same simple steps. Click your profile icon in the top right corner, click your status, and select the one that fits your situation. That's all there is to it. By getting into the habit of updating your status in Microsoft Teams, you help your team communicate more smoothly and avoid unnecessary interruptions.